guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're literally here in Riverside. I got my coffee already, the banana coffee, because it's absolutely delicious. I have the truck literally parked over there. When I got here, I unloaded it literally in shorts. I did not switch into comfy, or like I was in comfy clothes, but I didn't switch into warm clothes, and I was trying to unload the M2 for freezing my butt off. But it's parked, the truck is parked, the M2 parked over there. I'm really excited to drive it. We're gonna go to the venue because Paul has to do some stuff for his booth there. But I'm excited. We're taking the M2. I want to show it the fact that you literally cannot see the pollen. This is a pollen friendly car. You cannot see the pollen at all. I am still obsessing over the yellow. It looks so freaking amazing. Mason's riding with me. Hoping Alex went with Mikkel because kind of small back here, which is fine. And then Drew's taking Paul. I think Alex is with them as well.
Also random, but I'm wearing my hat that we did.
Yeah, we need to do, should I do more hats?
What, 4 years ago now?
That was a long time.
Should we do another hat?
I love driving around here. It's just so homey feeling. And it's like, especially with it being cold right now. The last 2 years that we've came, the first year it was like, I'm pretty sure like beautiful weather, like not very cold, like 70s maybe, I'm pretty sure. And then last year was chilly and cold, but it was very sunny, so it was like light clothing. But this year it's freezing. Being here at the perfect time and the perfect day, I get first dibs on the detailer. He's literally gonna do the car right now, outside and inside, so it's gonna be perfect for the show and tomorrow when shooting, so heck yeah. They're out there setting up poles in the cold. It's warm in here.
And I'm cold.
But also they put child lock on the back door, so if I want to get out I have to crawl out. Hey.
Hey.
So this Raptor now.
How y'all doing?
How y'all doing?
The following day.
It is officially day 2, the rehearsal of Riverside. Let's get going. Mason's killing it with the videos. I can't wait for you guys to see everything. It is literally so cold. And I'm drinking iced coffee. And we're gonna eat breakfast. I want something warm. Oh my gosh. Whoa, look at the trees. Those weren't bloomed last year like that. Look how pretty they are. Wow. You guys need to see how good this looks. Look how pretty this is. We've been driving around to try and find trees that literally lined. Overall, today has been such a super good day, finding multiple spots to take pictures at, but we had such a good breakfast. And then it's warming up. Now that it's super sunny, it like feels good. I feel like I might take my jacket off because it's actually kind of warm, but it literally looks so pretty. I love her. Everything got all set up yesterday. I wish I vlogged more yesterday. I like hate myself for not doing it, but it was so distracting yesterday with setting up the booth, seeing everybody, so many people I haven't seen literally since last year. It was a lot of fun. It was kind of relaxing, but also stressful at the same time. But it is now time for us to head to the event. We just got word from Alex that it's extremely crazy over there already, so my nerves are definitely kicking up. We still got to set all the shirts up and stuff, but everything else is out and ready to go. I always forget how quick this show is. It's from noon to 5, but usually people are walking around earlier because it's such an open venue, which is really cool, but it's currently 10:53. The show starts at noon, so we got an hour to get everything out and set up to look pretty and nice. So I can't wait to show you guys the cars. Seeing them yesterday and walking around, I wish I showed you guys yesterday, but it's so hard because there was so much music and it was so loud. So you guys get to see it today. Outside, I feel like it's like, oh my god, the world exists.
Yeah, the sun's out. That's crazy work.
Alright, where is it at? I can't believe there's a cow here. No, for real, I don't know if I can take you home.
Hey, it would have been sick
I think it's meant to be what?
to have an S2000.
It would be. Yeah, it would have been really great to have the S2000 here.
No, this is literally you.
Look how low that thing is.
Damn. Same mirrors.
Oh, I didn't even notice that it's
Same mirrors. Same bodywork.
Well guys, it is quite literally the end of the day. The show has ended and we are here getting both the cars loaded onto the trailers. Drew's got his back there and we're about to get the M2 loaded. The amount of love that was brought to the M2 today and the new color was absolutely insane. I cannot thank you guys enough for the support. It looks so good. I am so happy with going with the yellow. And I think that Riverside was such a great event to be able to do it and reveal it for. But I seriously can't thank you guys enough for the mad support today. We are exhausted, it's been a long day. So we're gonna go ahead and get these things loaded and then heading home, which is so crazy because this trip went so fast. I feel like we just got here and we're literally putting the cars on the trailer to either leave tonight or tomorrow. So until next time guys, peace.